I have no point on doing this, but yesterday my teacher assigned a task for each student to make a video about living organism. Well, I have no choice but to do this. Before we start, there's a subscribe button down there. It is free and easy to press, and I really appreciate for everyone who subscribed to this channel. What we're gonna talk today is about the 5 kingdoms of living organism, which consist of Monera, Protista, Fungi, PLANTAE, and Animalia. Let's start from Monera, the kingdom of microscopic things. This kingdom is present in all habitats and made of single cells, with no defined nucleus. In other words, bacteria. I've done a simple research with my classmates on this. All we use is school's legendary microscope and a milk. We put down the milk under the microscope, but we didn't get the result. Next, PROTISTA kingdom, the most primitive of the eukaryotics. Seems a lot of people doesn't know what's the difference between the Protista and Monera. While the Monera doesn't have defined nucleus, Protista does. As it is so heterogeneous, it is difficult to categorize it. Since its members have very little in common, this kingdom includes those eukaryotics kingdoms that are not deemed to be animals, plants, or fungi. I've also done research for this part together with Monera kingdom research at the same time, and basically what I did is the same as before. And fungi kingdom. They are multicellular aerobic heterotrophic eukaryotes which have chitin in their walls. They feed off other living things and reproduce through spores. This includes yeast, mold, and all species of mushrooms and toadstools. Here's the image of fungi. And PLANTAE kingdom, one of the oldest and characterized by its immobile, multicellular, and eukaryotic nature. These autotrophic things whose cells contain cellulose and chlorophyll are essentials for life on Earth since they release oxygen through photosynthesis. And finally, our kingdom, animal kingdom. The smartest kingdom compared to the others. They evolved the most and divided into 2 groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Yes. They are multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotes with aerobic respiration, sexual reproduction, and the ability to move. The conclusion is the kingdom of living organisms consists of 5: Monera, Protista, Fungi, PLANTAE, and Animalia. Every single kingdom has own characteristics and classes, from microscopic to gigantic, very variative. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. If you mind, please press the like button below and leave a comment. Have a nice day and see you next time in my next video.